we've got our head all ready. In the mouth. And we've got the back all taken out for our eyes. So what we want to do now is we want to make our neck pieces. So we cut out 3 blocks, and that's going to fit in here into our neck so we can do our neck pieces. So we're going to glue these together, let them set up and dry real good. And then tomorrow we'll glue it into the neck piece where it goes. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Spread your glue out real good. Cover the piece. Put the 3 pieces together. We'll clamp it real good. Now we'll just set this up, let it dry overnight, and then we'll come back with the next step and we'll glue it into the head, or into the neck. Thanks for watching.